To set up a Google Ads shopping campaign, you need to have a Google Ads account and a Google Merchant Center account. Start by linking your Google Ads account to your Google Merchant Center account. This connection allows you to access your product data and use it in your Google Ads campaigns. First, navigate to your Google Ads account and click on the Campaigns tab. Then, click on the plus button to create a new campaign. Select Shopping as the campaign type and choose your country and language. You also need to set a budget for your campaign. Next, you need to set up your campaign settings. Choose your bid strategy, which can be either cost per click or cost per conversion. You also need to set up your targeting options, such as location and language. Make sure to select the correct merchant identifier, which is the ID of your Google Merchant Center account. After setting up your campaign settings, you need to create an ad group. An ad group is a container that holds your ads and keywords. For a shopping campaign, you do not need to add keywords, as the ads are triggered by the product data in your Google Merchant Center account. To create an ad group, click on the Ad Groups tab and then click on the plus button. Give your ad group a name and set a bid for your ad group. You can also set up a custom bid strategy for your ad group. Once you have created your ad group, you need to create a product group. A product group is a subset of products that you want to advertise. You can create a product group based on a specific product category, brand, or custom label. To create a product group, click on the Product Groups tab and then click on the plus button. Select the products you want to include in your product group and give it a name. You can also set a custom bid for your product group. Finally, you need to submit your campaign for review. Google will review your campaign to ensure it meets their policies and guidelines. Once your campaign is approved, it will go live and start serving ads. Best practices for setting up a Google Ads shopping campaign include optimizing your product data, setting up a robust bidding strategy, and regularly monitoring your campaign performance. You should also make sure to keep your product data up to date and accurate, as this will improve the relevance and effectiveness of your ads. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a successful Google Ads shopping campaign that drives traffic and sales to your website. Remember to regularly monitor and optimize your campaign to ensure it continues to perform well over time.